And we'll be adding one of these, which is yellow bell pepper and an orange bell pepper.
Get the banana! Get the banana! Get the banana! Oops. Damn.
Where'd he go? Oh, he went in the box.
Yeah, he went in the box before the banana.
Throw the banana in the box, see if he gets it.
I know. That's what I was trying
No, he's in the box.
No, shh. He's not playing the part.
He's trying. Throw the banana at him.
It's a banana. Edmund, why do we do an Edmund show? Edmund, how dare you do that? It's like, I don't give a crap. No, this is how you do it. This is how you do it. Pizza. Pizza hard.
Yeah, he's chilling.
Oh. I know there's more money, but what's one or two? Edmund deserves a girlfriend. So this cat, I don't know if it's female or not. Yeah.
We'll find out the gender of the cat.
Yeah, I just called her. Her name is Linda, just like my name. That's cute. That looks like a female. That looks like a female. She's a female. What's up with her nose? Huh. A positive, positive. That is weird coloring, though. Hopefully it doesn't have a disease. What do you think about that nose?
Let me see.
Well, I don't want to get a cat that has, like, bad respiratory diseases. But, I don't know. It said, open up your hearts. These cats need to be rehomed. That's really cool. I don't know the age, the gender. I don't know. Well, look at Dustin. Somebody dropped off a cat from Fort Worth. Watch it be the same lady. Rusty Dusty and covered in fleas. I felt so horrible. So, yeah, we have to watch about fleas. That's for one. She looks so pretty. She looks like a princess. Hold on real quick. There's something's wrong with the right ear. It's really red. Probably ear mites. So I was trying to tell her, no, she's in Missouri right now for some reason, so she's a little bit distraught. You want a brother or sister? Cat baby or something. Oh, I just sent her a picture of the cat. That's not the best picture. Thanks a lot. You're so photogenic. see what it is. To the left. Oh, shit, sucks. Oh! Where's Kitty? What's Kitty's doing? Oh, shit, it hurts.
Kitty's dreaming.
Out to the left. The juice to the left. The juice to the left. I can't believe it. Say it for me. Just stop it.
Are you okay?
My head hurts. I had to put the juice.
Did you have a bad dream?
No. Just shut up. Please. Okay. There's time for a place. Time for everything. Leave me alone.
No, kitty. What did that candlestick do to you?